can take the Filipinos out of the Philippines, but not the Philippines out of the Filipinos. And that's why even if we're out of the Philippines living here in the States, we still want to know what's going on sa Pilipinas. At kaya po ngayong hapon, makikipagkamustahan po tayo kay Engineer Pablito Ocampo na siyang overall national chair ng 61st Annual Convention ng Philippine Society of Mechanical Engineers happening in Manila, Philippines. Hello sir, magandang umaga po. Magandang hapon na po dito sa Amerika, pero magandang umaga po sa inyo dyan sa Pilipinas.
Mga kabayan, magandang hapon din po sa inyong lahat. Ang inyong lingkod ay si Engineer Pablito Ocampo ng Philippine Society of Mechanical Engineers.
Pag-usapan po natin, sir, ang Philippine Society of Mechanical Engineers. For those of us who are not familiar with this organization, sino po ba ang mga bumubuo dito sa organization na ito? And what is your vision, mission?
Ang Philippine Society of Mechanical Engineers ay binubuo ng lahat ng graduate at lisensyadong mechanical engineer. Meron dalawang grado ito, ang Registered Mechanical Engineer at ang Professional Mechanical Engineers.
Kamusta na? Go ahead, sir.
Karamihan ng mga membro natin ay nasa matataas na katungkulan sa mga kumpanya rito, at yung iba ay nasa kanilang negosyo.
Pag-usapan po natin, sir, kasi di ba tayo mga Pilipino, pag nandyan sa Pilipinas, sinasabi mag-nursing or mag-accounting dahil yan ang kinakailangan sa Amerika. Kamusta naman po ba ang career in engineering? And I know here in the States, there are lots of advocacies pushing forward itong tinatawag nilang STEM, Science, Technology, Engineering, and Math.
Opo. Nais ko rin ipaalam sa inyo na one of our best exports are our mechanical engineers. Lalo-lalo na po sa mga field ng oil and gas. Marami po tayong miyembro sa Middle East. May mga chapter po tayo sa Middle East. Maaari dyan sa Amerika, nagagamit natin at nagsisilbi ang ating mga mechanical engineer as managers. Matataas na katungkulan sa larangan ng engineering.
Yaman din lang po, sir, na kayo ang National Overall Chair ng darating na convention ng Philippine Society of Mechanical Engineers. Can you tell us about this particular event? And we know that this is the 61st, so that means marami na pong mga nauna. How has it grown?
Well, we are celebrating this convention annually, and we are now on our 61st anniversary. This is observed in time with the Mechanical Engineering Week, which was declared under Proclamation number 319, which falls every third week of October.
Oh, okay.
So, in time po itong third week na to, ay i-celebrate natin at i-hold natin ang 61st Annual National Convention. Kasabay po nito, bilang paghahanda sa ating mga mag-aaral, ay i-observe din natin at i-hold din natin ang 3rd Student Congress ng mga Mechanical Engineering students. Ang mga darating po rito ay ang mga senior class students from over 50 schools and universities in the Philippines offering mechanical engineering.
Pag po, sir, nagkakaroon kayo ng convention, ano po bang mga nangyayari? And what's so special about this year, bilang kayo po ang overall national chair, what exciting activities have you lined up for your participants?
Ang ating theme po ngayong taon na to ay Harnessing Members' Initiatives, a Key to Global Competitiveness. In line with this, we have invited distinguished lecturers from ASME, American Society of Mechanical Engineers, and ASRE, American Society for Heating, Ventilating, Refrigerating Engineers. At sila po ay magsasalita tungkol sa mga latest technical developments sa field of mechanical engineering.
Sounds good, sir. Paano naman po ba makakasali dito sa convention na ito? A registration fee? And do we have to attend all the events?
Yes, meron po tayong maliit na halaga to cover to defray some expenses because of the convention and the meals. Sa tinatagurian ho naming regular member ay 5,000 pesos at sa lifetime member naman ay 4,500 pesos. Ito po ay kino-cover yung 4 na araw ng convention.
So 5,000, 4,500 pesos, hindi na po masama, sir, kung 4 na araw naman po at marami silang mga makikilala. And I'm sure there's some companies there looking for employees as well, no?
Opo. At hindi lang po yun. That will be, they will have a chance to earn CPD points. Yan po yung continuing professional development points na kakailanganin po natin sa pagre-renew ng ating mga mechanical engineer's license every 3 years.
All right. Sounds good, sir. Let me first congratulate you again for your being the national overall chair. Also, thank you for your hard work and good luck po sa inyong event. Mabuhay.
Mabuhay din. Pero nais ko rin mabanggit ang ating Honorable Teresita Mansala, Chairperson ng Professional Regulation Commission, ang ating magiging guest of honor at keynote speaker.
Okay.
And to give us an inspirational talk will be Honorable Leandro Conti, the Chair of the Board of Mechanical Engineering here in the Philippines.
Well, thank you so much again, sir, and more power po sa inyo. That was Engineer Pablito Ocampo, ang National Overall Chair ng 61st Annual Convention ng Philippine Society of Mechanical Engineers mula pa po sa Pilipinas. Balitang Hawaii naman sa pagbabalik ng Kababayan Today. Don't go away.